We apologize for the scratchy voice today. Uh-oh, Marshall's here. Marshall's here.
I haven't even started playing. And Robo Marshall's here, just ruining everything.
You and your robotic influences. Did you see that? You needed more.
He left.
You needed more oil.
Yeah. Also, I spilled a cup of water, so he can't go near us anymore.
The ultimate deterrent.
Wouldn't that just be the best Terminator? Like,
turns out
Sarah Connor just throws like a cup of water on him and he just dies.
You Sarah Connor.
No!
Splash.
Wait until the escape model. That'll be waterproof.
I don't know how to tell you this. It won't be a headphone jack. You're gonna be very upset about it. But it'll be waterproof. So that's good, right?
Like the Terminator runs on electric power, so but his connectors don't match up.
I shouldn't have traveled to Europe. If I travel back in time, I'm going to go to the same place as one place.
That should already be a parody making fun of Apple. You know? Yeah. Like Arnold should get a deal with Android and like he tries to plug in and sorry, I don't have the lightning connector.
Or even better, he connects like a Note 7 for something and just starts burning up.
Yeah, that was the one.
This is the way I go.
I was gonna say I have a Note 4, but it didn't explode.
Yeah, it's no fun if you're talking about your Note 4, but it doesn't explode. I don't want to hear about it. Hey, so you got a Note 4, huh? That's really cool. I'm glad you got a Note 4. Wait, are you gonna tell me about your Note 4? I'd love to hear about it.
What was the thing we were talking about before? Like shushing because we didn't want to waste good material? I already forgot.
Oh man,
this is why we record these things, because we forget them just about immediately.
Yeah, we forgot, and it was right as I was getting ready to start recording.
Yeah, and then Melissa walked out and was all distracting us.
She's all, look at me! I think that nicked you, so you're good. There's a rule in foosball. If you don't touch it and the guy scores on himself,
doesn't count.
You don't get a count for your points. But usually we find a way to just nip it, even if it's a quick score like that. Dude, you're gonna be passing like that?
What?
I'm more of a non-assist player. I just get it and I go, kick it! And I just hope it goes in.
Wayne Rooney!
Whoa. What did you just say?
I feel like you heard something dirty, but
no, I didn't.
But I said Wayne Rooney.
I didn't hear anything dirty. I just didn't understand it. The reason I didn't understand it is because I don't know who the heck Wayne Rooney is.
Oh my gosh! All of England is angry at you right now.
Yeah, well,
he's one of the most famous English soccer players of all time. Wayne
is
Rooney.
He more famous than Pelé?
Oh come on.
Well, hold on there. Hey now. That's the right way to say it.
He's less famous than David Beckham, but
is he more famous than Alexi Lawless?
Yes. It's much more famous than Alexi Lawless.
It's not even possible. Think of the ginger mane on that fella.
Which, by the way, that guy had to become a star athlete with a name like Alexi just to avoid bullying.
That's right. Well, so your name's Alexi, huh? Yeah, but I'm really good. Okay.
All right, fine.
But I'm varsity and I'm only freshman, so take that.
You'd have passed this time.
Varsity what? Soccer? Well, alright. He was Lawless. I think it's Lucy Lawless's son.
Xena Warrior Princess?
Yes. Yes. Xena Warrior Princess is
there was one of those, terrible slideshow articles that they try to, it's like clickbait on the site.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, 21,
21 worst movies ever, or worst shows ranked ever. 21 best shows ranked
if
ever.
Xena was on that list, then
Xena,
I say that list is stupid.
I know, Xena was on the images for the worst ones ever. I was like, clearly whoever made this list doesn't have any taste.
You're uninformed.
Xena or Hercules.
That's right.
Kevin Sorbo, man, alright?
Yes. I can't believe you know his name.
That's right.
I guess I didn't know Lucy Lawless's name. I would recognize the guy anywhere, but I wouldn't remember his name. Yeah.
Is he still alive, Kevin Sorbo?
He's still alive.
He had some serious injury or something, I thought.
Did he?
Yeah.
Like,
he maybe hurt his back real bad or something.
Like where he has to wear a brace.
Maybe
Stop
like
back passing. Not back passing.
You got like tennis elbow or something.
Oh yeah, plantar fasciitis.
Something life-threatening like that.
Got that Botox session.
Hey there, oh there.
A lot of unconventional kicking there, but that's horrible.
Take it to the limit.
I don't think we've done that one yet.
One more time.
Yeah.
What?
Oh yeah, super documented.
Playing above the post.
Listen, that barely made it in under the crossbar. Yeah, well, this is how we're gonna be scoring today. Very, very funky.
Funky.
One with the rest. Hey, by the rats.
I was gonna say, I think our singing is just bad enough that nobody's allowed to sue us for singing.
Yeah. No, that's not my song.
Oh, no. That's the original song.
Yeah. OMC's like, yep, that was original.
You see how it's all out of pitch and not even close?
It's definitely some horrible karaoke.
Also, there's no instruments. If there were instruments, I might side with you, Funkmaster Flex. The jury is clearly convinced that this is an original song.
This is a spoken word. I think it's some sort of funky beat.
It's more of an oral history.
Destination unknown as I'm pulling for some gas. Ooh, somebody's tied it up. Yarn. Yeah. Tight.
What?
A lot of bouncing today.
It still bothers me. I can't remember what we were talking about 5 minutes before we started this game.
Something about calling something by some other name, I think.
Oh, I remember now. It was, why isn't there a word for when you're about to sneeze? Pre-sneeze?
Yes.
And you said, I bet there is in German, which is hilarious.
You know there is in German. There's a word for everything. It might be 40 characters long.
I think I said Pre-Schneegen or something. Yeah, there should be a word for that.
Yeah, the pre-sneeze.
Yeah.
There's definitely a word for that.
Where you're just about to sneeze, but you know, sometimes you do, sometimes you don't.
To our German fans out there, go ahead and just tell us what it is. In the meantime, we'll guess.
Yep.
I like Pre-Schneegen.
Pre-Schneegen?
That's a good one. It's,
yeah, I don't really have another.
I was gonna do something, but I realized it's Latin based, I think.
Oh.
It's gonna do like cuspis snifflus or something like that.
Right.
That's if Latin was still a language. But no.
We need an Australian correspondent to be like, that's not a sneeze.
Yeah. Oh, it's not a sneeze. This is a sneeze. What was that?
Shh. There's people working.
Oh, sorry. I really had to let it go.
There's people in the next room.
I'm in the watcher. There's people in that other building over there.
There's people trying to keep Superman asleep. This underground bunker we've got.
You're keeping Superman asleep now.
Well, I mean, it's the only way to keep him in jail. There's a new video game called Injustice 2, where all the superheroes from the DC universe fight each other, essentially. It's like Mortal Kombat with superheroes.
Oh, yeah, I've seen that.
Looks like fun, actually. But I think one of the themes for like Batman's bio or whatever is like, it's like post, apocalypse type thing. And Batman's like trying to keep Superman in an underground prison or something.
Well,
it's designed to keep him there.
That's fair enough.
Yeah, why not?
With bars made of kryptonite.
I mean, he went through the trouble of making the underground prison. You should at least hang out and see what it's all about.
Do something there. Don't be so wasteful. Got a lot of trick plays there, Tom. A lot of fakey fakes.
I feel like we mentioned this already, actually. And maybe I had this conversation with someone else about how they intentionally made all the characters in that not look like any of the movie or the TV show actors who play them.
Oh, really? In the game?
Yeah, because then they have to pay them. You know?
Yeah, so like, oh no, this definitely is.
So like the guy who plays like Deadshot's in it, but he's got like a mask on and doesn't look like Will Smith or anything. And
wait, we're back to Will Smith that fast.
I know, and then the guy who plays the character Arrow is the one that makes me laugh the most because he's got this huge like 70s mustache, like blonde mustache. He doesn't look like the guy from the show at all.
That's the quickest way to get away from his.
Yeah.
Give him some crazy mustache.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
It's kind of funny because
I get it.
Like,
How about licensing?
They all did this just so they wouldn't have to pay someone. It's like Harley Quinn doesn't look at all like Margot Robbie.
Well, you'd want to avoid that for this, just to make it nice and clean. But you think if you could get the licensing or the people would want to buy more, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, yeah. This is the Jared Leto Joker? Never mind.
Right.
Never mind. I'm going to go with Jack Nicholson here. You could choose which.
That would be so funny.
That would be good.
But yeah, I feel like that really sort of takes away from it.
You could battle Heath Ledger Joker against Jack Nicholson Joker.
That would be so fun.
Yeah, now we're talking. And Danny DeVito would always lose.
Oh, Danny DeVito Penguin. Yes.
It's the worst. God. The worst in the world. I like Danny DeVito, and I think his portrayal's great because that's kind of what they're doing. It's kind of cartoonish. But man,
yeah.
I saw some clip. I don't even think it was the whole thing. It's just bad. It's hard to watch.
Yeah, that whole. I don't know. That was pretty terrible. I also saw from that same Batman how Catwoman became Catwoman. Have you seen that?
How did it?
It's pretty ridiculous.
Oh, she's like, is she a crazy cat lady? Like
she's a crazy cat lady, and she gets pushed out a window, and then
she holding a cat.
She like essentially dies,
yeah.
And then there happens to be a whole bunch of cats around.
That's right, and they'll come up and like swarm her.
And they're like swarm her, and then somehow that brings her back to life. Like she didn't fall into anything radioactive. Maybe she got like electrocuted, but even then, it's like no.
Well, at least it was Michelle Pfeiffer.
Yeah, right.
She's a good actress. It could have been a pretty bad deal.